Okay, Fido. Shit. I'm about to let Feisty out. She don't fight him.
Yo, this 740 GZUP. We got a college boy and the animal. It looked like they just dropped some feces in front of the crib.
Defecating in the woods.
That's dumb. Let Feisty get her dumb ass ate up.
Yeah, Feisty ain't fighting. Feisty
Fuck no,
Feisty
Feisty.
wouldn't even hop out there.
It seems as if they came to the stop sign just to take a shit.
No, she's not. She's not a slut. Don't talk about it.
She trying to fight.
And then they made a quick exit.
Your butt, bitch.
I believe the boy saw the camera.
She's not a slut. She's not a slut.
That's what she disappeared to though.
No, it's not.
G's up, y'all.